Hello, my name is Brian Valadares, and this is my app for the 2021 Congressional App Challenge. The name of my app is called Insurance, and the purpose of my app is to help educate or help kids cope with mental illnesses ranging from depression, anxiety, PTSD, eating disorders, and etc. To begin, you must first enter your name, and then we should press you need anything. You'll be taken to a screen where you're given the 6 mental illnesses that I have selected, which are the 6 majors in the US. It's very easy and very simplistic for little kids. The only thing they must do is press on which one they want to learn about. For example, let's take depression. You're taken to a screen where you're given 4 different selections of it. There's the websites, there's exercises, there's brief description, and videos that I review and were very easy to understand. This goes the same way for all the other 6. First, you must press the button for whichever one you want to go to. I want to go to the website, so I'll click on the website button. I'll be given 3 websites, and to go to one, you must click the button. Each one will get more and more difficult the more you go up. This will be the simplest, and you click it, and you'll be taken to a website. Now, you press back, and you get to exercises. You'll be given 3 different exercises that have been found very effective when studied by multiple colleges. And you'll be given a brief description. This is a very simplistic but very detailed form to describe what the mental illness is without giving the wrong idea. And then you'll be given 2 videos that you can watch. You just press watch video. And the same way goes for all of them. Just select which one you would like to learn about. I use Stunkable as my coding agent, and I use blocks as my coding language. Each one has their own thing, and each button has their own negotiation and sent to a different thing. This is my app. Thank you, and have a great day.